Hello guys. So in this video I want to explain one of the type of market structure which is called trend line, supports and resistance. So trend line, support and resistance, you use it to find your areas of value in trending markets. For example, looking at Bitcoin USDT 4 hours chart here, you can get your resistance, your trend line resistance here, and you can also get your trend line supports here. So this is your trend line resistance and supports. Forming these two together, you are getting a descending wedge or a falling wedge. So over here you have a resistance, and that's a place you should be looking at to sell. You have a resistance here, you have a resistance here, you have a resistance here. So you sell the resistance and you buy the support. So over here you have support 1, 2, 3, 4. So each time the price comes to support, you should be looking at to buy after multiple price rejection, after you get a reversal candlestick pattern. So you keep on buying the support and selling the resistance. So that was it for BTC, and as you can see, the price broke out after retesting the support. It broke out to this level. Let me use this to illustrate it. Okay, so I'm going to illustrate it with this red arrow. So you buy support, the price moved from support here to resistance, back to support, to resistance in the chart pattern, which is a falling wedge. Then it formed a double top here, this one top, and it formed a double top and retested the support again, then came back to resistance, retested the support, then it broke out. From this point it broke out and retested the trend line, the upper trend line resistance. So this upper trend line resistance now turned to support. That's what you call resistance turned support. So it retested and retested again to form double bottom. Then that's when you got this uptrend over here. As you can see, this Bitcoin price movement over the past months. So if you are looking to buy, these are the areas you should be buying: 1, 2, 3, 4. This retest here, 5. So you have 5 areas you can buy and make profits. Why, if you want to sell, these are the areas you should be looking at to sell: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Because it's not advisable to sell breakouts. So these are the areas you can sell, but once it breaks out, you stop selling and you buy. So you look out for buying opportunities. So as you can see, we have a chart pattern which is a falling wedge, which is bullish, and we have a price moving inside the chart pattern till it broke out. So that's it. That's my illustration for that. Another one I'm going to illustrate here is the current price action that is happening here. We also have a trend line support. We also have a trend line support and a trend line resistance from this top here. From this top here to here. So this is a rising channel. Normally this this chart pattern is a bearish rising channel, but just like the previous channel, which is a falling wedge, you buy the support and sell the resistance. You buy the support, buy support, buy support, sell resistance, sell resistance. So let me use the arrow to illustrate it again. Okay, let's say you buy, the price move from resistance to support, you buy the support, you sell at resistance, you buy the support, it form double bottom here, and you buy and you sell, you keep holding till it gets to resistance, and you sell over here, with hopefully the price might potentially, the price action that is going to happen here is going to be potentially, Bitcoin is going to move down towards a $42,000, or is going to have a double top, because I can see here is a golden zone, a 50% retracement ratio on the Fibonacci. I can see that. So you can see price might make a double top to 50k before coming down to retest the support, which might eventually break down or go back up again. So that's everything I've explained right now is called swing trading. So you are using price action to swing trade. So another type of market structure I'm going to explain now is a moving average. So let's put the 50 period moving average here. Remember, I said that moving average is also used to find areas of value, supports and resistance, and you can see it here. Let's use a SMA. Okay, so you can see it here. This area you should be buying, this area. So the price is not really respecting this 50 period moving average, but this, yeah, one of the important places you should be buying, that area over there. So let me add a 20 period moving average. 20 period moving average. So you can see the price is respecting the 20 period moving average better, and currently it is at 20 period moving average support over here. And so these are the areas you should be looking at to buy support, resistance. But I think for this market, my earlier example of the trend line support and resistance is stronger and more powerful. So that's it for this video. I hope I've been able to pass on one or two knowledge to you on a market structure.